It squishes it out. Watch. You see? You see it squishes it out. Then you check it out. And then there's more. We're playing Play-Doh. And it comes with the DVD. You see? Then Thanksgiving, you eat turkey. And then you eat turkey and then it starts over and then the people go home. And that's it. Okay. That was fun talking to our friends. Now let's build this Play-Doh set.
Here comes a blender.
A cookie and two YouTube channels. Then let's get started. First we're gonna build Squishy. Squish! Wow, look fell off! What was that? Oh, Play-Doh sugar. Oh no, I need to look for the Play-Doh sugar. Okay, let me look for it.